gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
A unique smartphone, Honor GT. The Honor GT smartphone was recently launched, offering a unique take on mobile design by stepping away from the trend of bigger batteries. While most smartphones today boast batteries with massive capacities, the Honor GT comes with a 5,300 mAh battery. Naturally, this raises questions. How well does the battery perform in everyday use? To address these concerns, Honor highlights its new Phantom Engine technology, which is supposed to improve the phone's efficiency. In this review, we explore its performance, features, and whether it truly meets expectations. Hi everyone, this is Maiky from techmaiky. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on notifications for more awesome tech videos. Gaming and performance. Gaming on the Honor GT comes with a mix of pleasant surprises and a few challenges. During a 70-minute gaming session and another 40 minutes of virtual rendering tests, the phone's frame rate stayed stable, averaging 60.3 frames per second. This performance is similar to other Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered phones. One interesting feature is the Phantom Engine technology, which smoothens visuals through frame interpolation. However, this comes at a cost. The phone consumed 7.25 watts of power during these sessions, much higher than the usual 4.5 watt seen in other Snapdragon 8 Elite devices. This high power consumption caused the phone to heat up, reaching a peak temperature of 50.5 degrees Celsius, making prolonged gaming sessions less comfortable. The Honor GT's rendering resolution is impressive, reaching 83% of native quality, better than many competitors. But high-quality visuals and smooth frame rates naturally demand more power and generate heat. To handle this, users can lower the graphics settings from very high to high, which reduces the rendering resolution to 756p. This adjustment stabilizes performance at 48 FPS and keeps the phone cooler. While this optimization helps, there's still room for improvement. Battery life. A mixed-picture battery performance is an essential factor for any smartphone. During tests that simulated daily usage, the Honor GT consumed 24.7% of its battery under specific conditions. Unfortunately, this is lower than what many competitors offer. While Honor claims to have implemented system optimizations to improve battery life, there is still a lot of room to enhance the phone's efficiency. Charging performance, on the other hand, is satisfactory. The phone charges fully in about 38 minutes using single-line fast charging. However, in real-life usage, heavy users might find the battery's endurance to be less than ideal, especially when gaming or multitasking for long periods. Cache camera performance. The Honor GT's camera offers decent performance, but struggles in some areas. Photos taken during the day often show noticeable noise, especially in challenging lighting conditions like high contrast or backlit scenes. In these situations, the camera sometimes fails to suppress noise effectively and retain fine details. While the resolution and overall detail are good, the clarity is not significantly better than its competitors. In low light conditions, the camera applies aggressive noise reduction. While this helps reduce graininess, it often removes finer details, which could disappoint photography enthusiasts. On a positive note, the 2x zoom feature delivers sharper and more detailed images compared to many rivals. However, users expecting flagship-level camera quality may find the Honor GT falling short. Display and system features. The Honor GT uses an LTPS display, which can drop its refresh rate to as low as 1 Hz in certain situations to save power. However, it lacks the adaptive refresh rate optimization found in devices with LTPO displays, which would have improved battery efficiency. While the screen brightness and clarity are impressive, the lack of a more dynamic refresh rate strategy hinders overall efficiency. The software includes several handy features like multitasking windows, quick access menus, and eye protection modes. However, there are small issues that affect the user experience. For instance, frame rates during multitasking are not always smooth, and system animations could use more polish. The in-screen fingerprint sensor works reasonably well, but isn't the fastest or most reliable. Similarly, the haptic feedback from the phone's linear motor could be more refined. Pricing and value. Considering its performance, some might wonder if the Honor GT is worth its price. The Phantom Engine brings smoother gaming and improved system fluidity, but the phone's heat management and power efficiency lag behind other Snapdragon 8 Elite devices. The camera, while decent, does not stand out against its competition. Additionally, the LTPS display strategy, while good, could benefit from further improvements. Final thoughts: a decent effort with some drawbacks. The Honor GT brings several unique features and delivers respectable performance in many areas. However, it falls short in critical aspects such as heat management, battery efficiency, and camera consistency. While the Phantom engine technology is innovative and features like the 2x zoom and smooth visuals add value, these strengths are balanced by the phone's weaknesses. Potential buyers should carefully consider these factors and compare them with competing smartphones before making a decision. The Honor GT is a solid device with some standout features, but there's still room for improvement to make it a true leader in its segment. With fierce competition in the smartphone market, brands must continually push boundaries to provide the best value to consumers.
Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take